Hello lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Hope you all are doing very good today. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I prepared these beautiful and delicious snacks. Please keep watching while I show you how I achieved these beautiful snacks. In a bowl, I added 1 cup of warm water, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, and half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to whisk this together until they are well incorporated. Next, I'm going to sieve 4 cups of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is also known as play flour. I will use my spatula to mix this together until it forms a dough. If the dough is too sticky, please add more flour, just a little bit, okay? I sprinkled some flour off camera. I'm sorry I wasn't able to capture this process while recording this video. I added a little bit of flour. Now we go in by adding my soft butter. I use 1 tablespoon of soft butter, unsalted soft butter. If you are using salted butter, please do not add salt to this recipe. Now I've achieved a smooth and soft dough. I'm going to cover this and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. One thing I like about this recipe is that you don't waste much time and it doesn't stress you at all. 20 minutes later, the dough has rested enough. I'm going to divide this into 2. I will work on the first dough by using my hand to flatten the dough. If this is sticking to your work surface, please sprinkle some flour or you oil your work surface. I'm going to use my rolling pin to roll this out until I achieve a flat and smooth dough. With my dough cutter or pizza cutter, I'm going to cut out a triangular shape. Now it is time for me to start the rolling process. I will just roll it with my finger, just the way you are seeing it on the screen. It is very simple and quick, very easy. As you can see, I will place this on my tray while I repeat the same process with remaining dough. This is going to look like just croissants, okay? But I'm not making a croissant. I'm making a raw donut. I forgot to mention this earlier. At this point, I'm going to cover this and allow it to rest for 20 minutes before frying. In a preheated oil, I will go ahead by adding the dough into the oil. I'm frying this on a medium heat. Please do not fry this on a high heat, okay? Just carefully place them inside the oil and fry on medium heat. Once they are golden brown, please flip them over so that they can fry very well both sides. So I use my fork to flip this. You can use whatever you have at home that is safe to dip in a hot oil. Please do not use a plastic spoon or plastic fork, okay? At this point, they are golden brown. I'm going to take them out of the oil. They're looking so beautiful. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please do. If you do, please tag me and let me know how it comes out. These are beautiful. Please do not forget to like, follow, and share this recipe with your family and friends. Now it is time for me to coat these nuts with sugar and cinnamon. What I have here is 3 spoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you don't coat this with sugar, you might not like the slime because it doesn't have sugar. Okay, we've come to the end of today's video. Please like, share. I will see you in my next video.